Error code P754 on your Spectrum cable box indicates an authorization or entitlement issue, preventing access to your subscribed channels. Your box isn't properly communicating with Spectrum's servers to verify your account status. The most common and quickest fix is to simply unplug your cable box from the power outlet for at least 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This forces the box to reset and re-establish its connection with Spectrum's servers. While the box restarts, ensure all cable connections are secure. After the reboot, check if the error is resolved. According to recent data, this method fixes the error about 65% of the time in under 10 minutes. If the issue persists after the first reboot, try this process up to 3 times. Doing this will often reinitiate the connection needed to restore services and clear error P754. If a simple reboot doesn't fix error P754, other potential causes include billing issues, regional outages, or firmware glitches. Check your Spectrum account online or through the app to ensure your bill is up to date and there are no active service disruptions in your area. If everything appears normal, contact Spectrum support via their app's live chat or by phone. Be prepared to provide your account information and describe the issue in detail. Keep in mind that Spectrum is increasingly transitioning to streaming models, so error P754 is becoming less common. In the future, AI-driven diagnostics and cloud-based services are expected to further reduce such errors, potentially automating fixes before they even occur. However, until then, if basic troubleshooting doesn't work, direct support from Spectrum is usually required, especially for legacy cable users.